Well, the uniqueness is that it springs from a heart which is full of love and reverence for me. It springs from the heart of Nadeem, the man who has deep affection for me, and we have somehow sustained this affection over the years. They say music erupts from a heart which is full of love, and because of this personal affection that he has for me, he puts in that extra bit. Apart from that, if you see that Sameer has also explored his own deeper self. He has poured the kind of lyrics which is a little deeper than the normal Sameer brand of lyrics. That comes from ultimately from the vision of the film, and it's the story, the narrative which provided the kind of a latitude for both the lyrics writer and the music director to have such a range, and that what makes it so unusual. It's got love in all its seasons. It has the way its seasons of love which man has lived through from from the dawn of time, and that is what makes this unusual.
Yeah, you see, राज की एक सबसे अच्छी खूबसूरत बात यह है कि उसका म्यूज़िक जो है, as the trend of विशेष films has always been, is extraordinary. And that goes fully to the combination of Nadeem Shravan vis-a-vis Mahesh Bhatt and Mukesh Bhatt. If you remember very well that the association of Nadeem Shravan and Mahesh Bhatt, Mukesh Bhatt started way back with Ashiki, which was a legendary hit in terms of music, and followed by Sadak, Dil Hai Ke Mante Nahi, Hame Rahi Pyar Ke, and Kasoor. And the track record of this combination of the Bhatt brothers with Nadeem Shravan has been 100% in terms of its box office success. And I'm happy that the music of Raz has already become a craze. And that purely comes because of the love which Nadeem has for the Bhatt brothers. You see, he has that extra love and affection and respect for Bhatt Sahab.
I'm playing this girl called Priya, who's Sanjana's very good friend, and they've been together in college. और उसके बाद वो ऊटी में जो डीनो होटल ओन करते हैं उसको लुक आफ्टर कर रहे हैं, this couple, and my husband is Bishwajit Pradhan in it. And how this character Priya, she's a lot into वास्तु शास्त्र and superstitions, you know. So हमेशा कुछ चीज़ होती है तो उसको लगता है कि ये इस कारण हो रही है. And things जो बिपाशा that is संजना के साथ हो रही हैं, she tries to help her out. Let's go and meet this professor who's a scientist and who knows everything about ghosts and the secrecy about them. So let's go and meet him. And I take her there, and how we fight against this evil spirit, the so-called evil spirit.
Well, from Ajnabi to Raz, there has been a tremendous change in terms of my acting abilities. I feel I have grown up a lot. I have learned a lot more after completion of Raz. And I'll give my credit to Abbas Mustan and Vikram Bhatt both equally, because Abbas Mustan launched me and they taught me the ABCs of acting, and Vikram Bhatt has nurtured my acting. So, well, it's been a long way. In Raz, I play Sanjana, the protagonist in the film. She's going through marital discord in her life. And while she's trying to solve her marital problems, how the supernatural fits into it, It's like everything happens to this girl and nobody's believing like what's happening in her life. And her own husband doesn't believe her. And how she finds out why things are happening and how she puts an end to it, and how and why and when, and all the questions are answered by the end of the film.
राज में एक जो कैरेक्टर है मेरा, वो इसका नाम है प्रोफेसर अग्नि स्वरूप, जो कि साइंस का प्रोफेसर है, जो बिलीवर है बेसिकली, क्योंकि साइंस के बारे में लोगों की कई किस्म की बात हो सकती है, और मेरा मानना है कि साइंस का मतलब होता है बिलीव, विश्वास. बिना विश्वास के किसी भी चीज़ को आप इन्वेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं या डिस्कवर नहीं कर सकते हैं, या किसी भी चीज़ का आप जो भी चीज़ें, अगर हवाई जहाज़ उड़ना है तो कहीं ना कहीं किसी एक पागल ने, जिसको उस वक्त पागल कहा गया होगा, आज की तारीख में साइंटिस्ट कहा जाता है, उसने विश्वास किया होगा कि नहीं, आसमान में उड़ाया जा सकता है मनुष्य को, या जैसी जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं. तो मेरा मानना है कि एक बिलीवर का कैरेक्टर है जो साइंस पे भी विश्वास करता है. साइंस का मतलब होता है नेचर, जो आज की तारीख में है, और साइंस के ऊपर एक स्पिरिचुअलिटी होती है, उसका मतलब होता है सुपर नेचुरल. तो साइंस जो चीज़ है वो सुपर नेचुरल का पहला स्टेप है.
The experience after प्यार में कभी कभी, the experience working in Raz has been wonderful. Here I'm working with an entire new group, all professionals. They've done a lot of films before. So I think it's been marvelous, very talented people, and it's made me realize that I definitely can do a great job as an actor. I think my role is superb. I mean, when I was offered this role, when they offered me this film, I didn't think twice about it because it was a good role and a great banner to work with. So I think it's fantastic.